No tiny midge, no chocolate. This tree depends on flies. This is the cacao tree, Theobroma cacao, whose name means food of the gods. A quiet understory tree of the tropical rainforest and the sole source of every piece of chocolate on Earth. Cacao is cauliflorous. Its flowers and fruits grow directly from the trunk, not from new branches. Those flowers are pollinated almost exclusively by midges barely 1 to 3 millimeters in size. A single tree produces only about 20 to 30 usable pods per year, and it takes roughly 400 dried beans from about 10 pods to make just 1 pound of chocolate. The Maya and Aztec civilizations held cacao sacred, using the beans as currency and preparing ceremonial drinks they called xocolātl. Today, cacao supports the livelihoods of an estimated 40 to 50 million people worldwide, most of them smallholder farmers. Cacao needs consistent warmth within 20 degrees of the equator, with 1,500 to 2,500 millimeters of well-distributed annual rainfall. Young trees require 50 to 70% shade, so establish taller shade trees like banana or leguminous species before planting cacao. Space your trees 3 to 4 meters apart in deep, well-drained, organically rich soil. Do grow cacao under a shade canopy. It's an understory tree that burns in full sun. Do remove infected pods promptly to prevent diseases like black pod rot and witch's broom from spreading. Don't plant in waterlogged or compacted soil. The roots are shallow and sensitive, and don't expect low maintenance. Cacao demands consistent, skilled care. From a sacred Aztec currency to the world's most beloved treat, the cacao tree reminds us that even the smallest pollinator can sustain an entire civilization. Protect the forest, protect the midge, protect the chocolate, restore, protect, inspire.